Hello everyone. Today, let's discuss the working of index funds. Till now, we know that index funds track the performance of their respective index. But how does the fund accomplish it? The answer lies in replicating. Index funds invest in stocks of companies that are tracked by its benchmark index. Let's try to understand it with an example of the Nifty 50. Nifty 50 tracks all these companies. Any index fund that uses Nifty 50 as its benchmark index will also invest in the stocks of these companies. If Nifty 50 decides to remove one of the companies from its list, then the respective index funds will also remove that company from its portfolio. But simply removing or adding the stock to the portfolio is not enough. Another aspect that the fund manager needs to consider is the number of stocks of each company that should be in the portfolio. The weights of the index help the fund manager to quantify the investment in a specific stock. Now you must be wondering, what are these weights? Weights are percentages or numbers that define the importance of a particular stock compared to others. If you look at this chart, there are some values written next to company names. These values show the weights of the stocks in the index. There are various methods to determine the weight of a particular stock, but mostly it is calculated based on the market capitalization of the company. The larger the market capitalization, the higher the weight. If a company's market capitalization changes, the index changes its weight, and the same is done by index fund. This is called periodic rebalancing. Index funds follow various methods to match the performance of the benchmark index. That is the reason index funds are also known as passive investments. It simply follows the benchmark index or market and doesn't try to outperform it, whereas active funds follow the opposite strategy. Fund managers always try to outperform the market by constantly researching, buying and selling stocks. To know more about how active funds differ from passive funds and which investment option is better suitable for you, keep watching.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.